Hello friends, are you experiencing Instagram audio call option not showing? Don't worry, in this video I will show you how to fix this problem. For solving this problem, first of all, tap and hold Instagram, tap on I button or app info, tap on storage, tap on clear data, clear cache, OK to confirm, and to go back to previous page. Make sure your all permission is allow all permission one by one. Phone permission allow, then go to home page and go to Play Store. Search here Instagram. Update your Instagram to latest version your Play Store or App Store. Then open your Instagram app, go to message option and select any contact and see. By doing this process you can successfully solve your problem easily. If you found this video helpful, please like and subscribe to my channel. Thank you.